Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Kia Carnival, then you're going to need trailer wiring. It is required by the law. Now let's take a look at how to install this U-Haul SmartConnect Trailer Wiring. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. Our exclusive wiring harness plugs into the towing module in the back of the vehicle. So unlike other quick connect harnesses that plug in behind the tail lights, you don't need to know which ones you have. Let's take a look. Begin in the cargo area so we can remove the scuff panel. There are 2 fasteners, one on each side. Use a 10mm socket. Next, we will release this upper white trim to find a hidden 10mm fastener. You can now loosen the lower trim. Gently pull the trim from the vehicle body, exposing the towing connector. It is taped to an existing wiring harness. Plug the harness into the towing connector. Use a 10mm socket to affix the ground wire to this stud. Place the ring terminal over the stud and reaffix the fastener. Insert the module onto the harness and then affix it using the double-sided tape. Be sure you affix the module somewhere where it does not interfere with the returning of the trim. You can now install the fuse and fuse cover. Now you can either route your 4-flat connector through this grommet out to the bumper for placement on a bracket, or you can leave it in the cargo area. Our customer has chosen to leave it in the cargo area. So let's get the 4-flat connector into the cargo area, but hide and secure all the other excess wiring with zip ties. Another great benefit to our wiring is no running of the power wire. That means we're done. Let's return the trim. Lastly, you can affix the dust cover for the 4-flat connector. Now your 4-flat connector can be stretched out to your trailer when needed. That concludes our U-Haul SmartConnect Trailer Wiring installation. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.